If I am
Chief Dr. Iwuanyanwu,
do solemnly swear
that
I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Ohaneze and Iwu. I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability. Faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of Ohaneze and Iwu. And the law. And always in the interest of integrity. Solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the objectives and fundamental provisions of the Constitution of Ohaneze and Iwu. That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decision. That I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of Ohaneze and Iwu. That in all circumstances, I will do right to all manner of people, according to law, without fear of favor, affection, or ill will. That I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person, any matter which shall be brought under my consideration, or shall become known to me as President General of Ohaneze and Iwu, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as President General of Ohaneze and Iwu. And that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people and the people of Nigeria. So help me God. Congratulations.
Cameraman, go back. Okay. Can I continue? In the life of every human being, there is a day to remember. In the life of every country, there is also a day to remember. For me, as your son you love, Iwuanyanwu, this is a very special day for me. And for also our people, the Igbos, I think it's a very important day. I have sworn an oath to serve you. I have always rendered services, very dedicated service to our people, and I will do more. You have shown me that you love me. I am very grateful. Frankly speaking, this is the first time I have seen five governors of the Southeast coming together to take up and support a cause. I think this is the beginning of a new dawn in Igbo land. The governors are united in this project, and I'm very proud. For example, Governor of Enugu State, Iwuanyanwu, a man I have always loved as a young man because his brother was my very good friend, his elder brother. He has done very well as a governor, and I'm very proud. Now I have here, this place is a hallowed ground. This place is the former government house of Eastern Nigeria. This is where our great leader, Sikh, used to state. Everything about Eastern Nigeria was conceived here. The governor, why he has actually reactivated this place. And it's a very good coincidence in history that my acceptance and inauguration is being performed on this ground. From these grounds, we emerged in 1960 from a relatively low point to be number one in Nigeria, number one in education, number one in industry, number one in bureaucracy, number one in military craftsmanship. I think this, I will do my best to reenact what Sikh and others did, imagine they perform. I believe that from now, Igbo land will have the beginning of a new era. Now, Soludo has impressed me so much. Soludo was in Congo, the meeting just a few days ago. When Soludo was told about this meeting, he promised me he would cut short his stay in order to come. I even told him he shouldn't bother, but he said no. Soludo said that this is very important to Igbos, that we need to come together to retrieve Igbo from all problems. So I want to thank Soludo. The governor of Imo State has been wonderful. Wonderful, he organized this. But he couldn't come this morning, he will still come due to very important pressing engagements which he had already had fixed before the date of this meeting. The state governor is represented by his deputy, and also the state governor is represented by his deputy. So, frankly speaking, even if the state governor deputy is here too, I feel very, very happy. I'm not an orphan, I'm a child with parents. I have people behind me. Now, I want to let you my concept of leadership. Today, you have made me your President General. You have made me your leader. My concept of a leader is not the wisest man. But he becomes the wisest the moment he is proclaimed, because my wisdom now is the aggregate of all your wisdom together. So I'm the wisest. I'm not the strongest one, but from this day, my strength is the aggregate of all your strength. I'm the strongest. I'm not the tallest, but from today, my heart is all the height of Igbos, men and women, young and old, put together. So I want to assure you that this job, I'm going to rise to the challenge. It's going to be a collective responsibility. I'm going to work with everybody, and I can be rest assured that we are not going to fail. In the next few months or so, you will see a Igbo state. I have a few points that we must, a few points in Igbo land. I have a few points I want to let you know, because you have to prepare yourself. First of all, I'm going to look at our rise in 1960. In 1914, when Nigeria was amalgamated, we didn't even have any graduates. Some parts of this country have had graduates. But by 1960, we were the highest best in education. And you know, so something gave us that. We became the best. One is education, one is industry. So we are going to have councils in this area. I will definitely, I'm appealing to the governors that they will definitely, I will have a meeting with them. We are going to do a number of things. In fact, I have a speech which I have written. I will distribute them. I don't want to bother you with it. But by the grace of God, I will do my best. May God bless all of you. Thank
After the count of 3, we shall close the photograph. 1, 2, 1.5, 3. Thank you very much. Thank you.
ladies and gentlemen, acceptance speech. Acceptance speech.
Okay, can I have some?
Cameraman, can you shift back?
Onwere ebe nsogbu egbedata nnọkama oge nọ na-enwe nzukọ agwa m aha eji aga mba ejebe Congo mụ na former President Obasanjo ndị ọzọ anyị nwe ife anyị jebe Business Council tata ka m kwesịrị ịbata mana agwa m aha eji aga mba na nzukọ a na-eme tata nzukọ ImeObi. It's so very important because ebe ndị Igbo nọ not just in Nigeria but etu obodo anyị Nigeria dị tata na nzukọ a dị so important na nwere ife I can't wait. I had to cut it short by one day to be here today. For me, very, very big. Igbo ga-adị and ebe anyị je enwe street nna afọ ebe anyị dịgosi Igbo jụrụ ebe niile fanwe one street na Kinshasa a na-akpọ ya nọ Nigerian street na asịfa na ndị nwe this Nigerian street abụrụ na mma 99% ndị nọ ebe a. And one of the times I visited, I went through that street where randomly banye na 10 shops ịbalụ ebe a ịsịfa kedu asịghị ọ dị mma mana ama m ndị nwe so na ndị be anyị bụ ndị na-eje mba anyị jụrụ ebe niile a dominate ebe niile dịka ndị Juu mana ife dị na